This 2025 Coachmen Apex Nano 190 RBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 22 feet 7 inches in length and features a casino decor interior, sleeps 4, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, water heater, microwave, external shower, awning, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, slide out, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Coachmen Apex Nano 190 RBS is 3,726 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.